Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do an enveloping of a pre-order that I pre-ordered. It came about 2 weeks ago. I haven't got a chance to envelope it. Been caught with life and shit. But all in all, enough chit chat. Let's see what's inside and open it up. Like now, y'all. Let's open it up. Alrighty, folks. So what did I receive from this pre-order envelope? It's the Ennis autograph, signed by the stuntman actor himself, Ennis, who of course he's the what was it, a second Jason stunt double, playing Jason in the cornfield sequence. If anybody remembers that scene, please turn this video off and watch Freddy vs. Jason. Those who have remembers the rave and the cornfield sequence, and he's playing Jason. I thought Ken Kursiger did play Jason. Yes, he did, but there was this fire sequence that he did play in the movie. Yes, and yeah, he was the burning Jason that he set on fire due to the alcohol, and then got engulfed in flame by a bratty teenager, and he just threw the flaming machete, and it goes on a rampage in the rave scene in the cornfield. So yeah, I love Freddy vs. Jason, and I can't believe I got my hands on this. And of course, I got me a Scream 6 Ghostface card, another one by the Matthew Cordry, if I said his name right, who was, of course, the second guy to play Ghostface in Scream 6. And this guy has a hell of a career playing, doing stunts and stuff. And yeah, look at it very carefully. Yep, this guy stunt doubled Dermot Mulroney and Henry Zeeksurini. I can't say his name, but that's the guy from the first Mission Impossible, and he was in the recent newest installment of Mission Impossible 7. Can't wait for the second one. Good to see good old Kid Rich back as well. But anyways, I mean, another Ghostface card. But also, I can't believe I got me a Ennis autograph, the rarest one out of all the guys that have played. I mean, those who were looking to get a Ted White autograph, good for you. Many years ago, you've got Richard Brooker. But sadly, we lost him 10 years ago on April 8th, 2013. Just 7 months shy of his 59th birthday. And it's kind of rare to get your hands on a Richard Brooker. Very pricey, though. Yeah, and as well as 8 years ago, we lost also Betsy Palmer. And then 5 years ago, we lost stuntman actor and coordinator Steve Dash, who is coined to be this day the real Jason. So those who have the money for it, go ahead and pull the trigger. Those who can't, sorry for that. So yeah, and also recently, a year ago, we lost Ted White. So yeah, that's like the third Friday 13 alumni we lost. Well, the villain alumni, that is. So yeah, can't believe I got me a Ennis. Let me show it from a perspective angle. Yes, magnificent, isn't it? You can never go wrong with this. Let's give a shout out to CSR Collectibles and to the collectors out there, from physical media collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, and watch collectors out there. So yeah, if you like content like this or any other thing in this channel, click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, give it a thumbs up. If you have any opinions, comments down below. And I'm in the YouTube community, posting what time I post videos, and keep an eye on that, like every few days or so. Check it out and see it all. So anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care, God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. And enjoy the weekend, y'all, and later.